Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about my first heron. The grey heron. A long-legged wading bird of the heron family, Arididae. Native throughout temperate Europe and Asia and also parts of Africa. It is resident in much of its range. A bird of wetland areas, it can be seen around lakes, rivers, ponds, marshes and on the sea coast. The body and wings are grey above and the underparts are greyish-white with some black on the flanks. The long, sharply pointed beak is pinkish yellow and the legs are brown. Their calls are like locally named Induru koka. It is one of the oldest documented birds in the world. In ancient Egypt, the deity Bennu was depicted as the heron in the New Kingdom artwork. In ancient Rome, the heron was a bird of divination. Sri Lanka has a 3,000-year-old civilization. Sri Lanka's very first capital was Anuradhapura in the north, but this capital had to move all the time because of invasions from South India. And each of these kingdoms, there were many artifacts. At the National Museum in Colombo, there are separate sections, each of Sri Lanka's ancient kingdoms. National Museum in Colombo is an amazing journey throughout different kingdoms in ancient Sri Lanka. If you are ever in Colombo, don't forget to visit the National Museum. Subscribe to see my next video about the Shikra.